This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Apple Watch is paired and active, because the watch shares location through your iPhone. Open the Find My app on the paired iPhone now. Once done, verify location services and Share My Location are enabled in settings so GPS data flows. If you have multiple devices, make sure the iPhone listed as You is the one you want to share from, since the watch will use that device's location for accuracy and continuity. Now tap People in Find My and choose Add to select who you want to share with. This step sends a request to their device, so pick the right contact. Once you select a contact, choose how long to share indefinitely for continued tracking, or pick 1 hour or 1 day for temporary access. These options control privacy and battery impact. Make sure the recipient accepts the invitation. You'll see their confirmation and a shared icon once the connection is active. Finish by verifying the person's icon in Find My shows your live location. This confirms the watch and iPhone are sharing correctly. You can manage sharing from the People tab. Tap a contact to stop sharing or change duration, so you retain control. If the location doesn't update, make sure Location Services is on, then restart your Apple Watch and iPhone and confirm both have network access. These steps usually fix common sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.